Hey guys, it's the middle of the year and I just want to do a middle of the year check-in to find out what goals you have accomplished and what goals are you trying to accomplish moving forward for the remainder of the year. I know for me personally, I am always setting goals at the beginning of the year. And so I want to talk to you about some of the goals that I have already set, that I've already completed, and some goals that I need to finish by the remainder of the year. First of all, I want to talk about personal goals. One of my personal goals was to really get myself physically fit and be committed to working out every single day. Check that box. I am doing that and I will continue to do it. I want to do that program, 75 Day Hard, where you work out twice a day. My sons have done it. They are looking sharp and mama's going to do it too, because I will not be left behind. The other personal goal that I am looking forward to accomplishing is really helping my son Carrington, the baby of the bunch, transition from his first couple of years into college into his third year in college. He is going to be finishing up his second year here shortly, and he is going to be going into his higher level accounting courses. And I need to make certain that he's anchoring everything that he needs to know and to make sure that I am mentoring him from a leader, from someone who's in this field, making sure that he gets everything that he needs. So that's a personal goal of mine that I will hit before the end of the year. When it comes to a business perspective, I have so many wonderful things that I have laid out for this year. One of the things that I laid out for this year is that I wanted to empower other businesses to be able to grow and be able to learn from the things that I have accomplished. How did Carla get from day one of starting her business to where she is today? I was able, through the help of my sons, to launch my business mentorship program called the Millionaire Shortcut. That has been very successful. I am going to be, for the remainder of the year, taking on new business owners that really want to have good mentorship. My success is going to be their success. I want to teach them how to bootstrap their business, teach them how to grow their business without having capital, teach them things that they will never learn unless they make the mistakes. Well, when you work with someone who's already made the mistakes, and I've already made a lot, you don't need to go out and make mistakes. You can learn from someone else. So that program is definitely launched. What we're going to be doing in the remainder of the year is really building that out to get more people. We're in the pilot process of that program, so I'm super excited about that. And the reason why I'm excited about that, because I think that as a leader, as a woman, as a business owner, that you get to a point in your career where you need to give back to others, where you need to bring other people along, where people need to be able to say, you know what, I trained, I learned from that individual. And that's what I want my legacy to be. I want to be able to help others do the things that I've been able to do, but do it in a shorter fashion. It shouldn't have to take them as long if I have some knowledge that I can share with them. So that's one thing I'm doing from a business perspective. The second thing I am doing from a business perspective is I am now helping to empower other tax professionals. So many tax people reach out to me, ask me questions all the time. They're looking for my leadership. As I was building my company, I didn't have time to step out of building my company to be able to mentor them. Now I am going to be mentoring other tax professionals, other financial professionals, other individuals that are looking to do what I have done, where I can sharpen their skill set from a tax perspective, where I can help educate them from a tax perspective and help bring up their level of knowledge. I am so excited about the goals that I've already accomplished. I'm looking so forward to the goals that I am going to accomplish. And I want you to share with me goals that you are also trying to accomplish, because together we can make things happen. When we work in community, when we ask questions, when we actually become vulnerable in front of people and say, hey, I don't know. The sooner you're prepared to say, I don't know, and I'll raise my hand, I don't know everything, and ask those questions, the faster you're gonna get to your goals. So you guys have seen, I have so many goals that I have accomplished and things that I am going to be doing. I'm going to be rolling out my business mentorship program called the Millionaire Shortcut. I'm going to be rolling out my Tax Pro Grow program to help other tax professionals grow. And I am helping my son Carrington get from one stage stage of his college journey to the next stage of his college journey. It's so important that when you are a business owner to have business mentorship. That's why in my next video, I am going to be going into detail with the importance of why business mentorship is so important, talk more about my mentorship program and some things that you can be doing to help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to see you on the next video.